Hi everyone, Chris here with Leeloo. Thanks so much for hanging out. We're just getting started, so yeah, let's get going here. Quite a bit going on, so yeah, let's see what we got going on today. You can see here on my screen, um, we got the my chart in my $50,000 account journey to qualify. Let's see if we got a couple trades potentially building up today here. So let's see what's going on with that. Let me bring up the risk disclosure here. As I get that ready, we'll be able to share that with you. There we go. And there we go. All right. So be sure to check this out real quick. All right. Perfect. Let me even zoom in a little more. There we go. All right. That's pretty good right there. So, all right. If you can hear me, let me know you can hear me and we'll be good to go. Let me see here. All right. Let's see who is here. Nag J says, "Hey Chris." Trade Together says, "Hey Chris." Mark Doom says, "Second." TX Sounds Check is good. Let's roll. Hey Chris, my best friend. Hey, Gildrin, Gildrigan. Good to see you guys. Thank you so much. Whoa, what a kind words we got going on here. Thank you so much. Really, really means a lot here. All right, let's check out the risk disclosure. Guys, just be sure you know you're responsible for your own trades and everything you do. All right, don't be that person. All right, and I got my water right next to me, so we're in good business here. All right, so now that we got the risk disclosure out of the way, man, what a week. What a week has been. So didn't get to trade. Let's see. Today is Thursday, so I didn't get to trade today, Thursday. Um, I do see a potential trade coming up. So here so far in my journey, we're at 52,000. Let's do the math here. 52,650. So we need to get to 53,000 or above. We're at 52,650 with 20 cents. We're $349.80 away. Let's check our trailing drawdown. It's so we take our account balance, which is 52 thousand 650 minus the auto liquidate threshold right there, which is 51 50 20, and we got the full trailing drawdown available. As you can see, I haven't traded today, no PNL. So let's see what's going on with the markets here. Nice random pattern overall to go short. This is the 5 minutes, so I'm gonna break it down to. Let me look at 60 minutes real quick. All right. All right. So in the 60 minutes, for the last 3 hours, we've been going down here. All right. So this is the 1 hour candles. Just so you know, this is, let's see here. Put that up there. You guys can see that. There we go. Um, hey, how you doing, Dr. Vijay Shah? Good to see you. Okay. So we're looking for a potential short here or there. All right, so this is 60 minutes. This is on the NQ. Let me move around here. Let me check out the daily real quick. I like to look at daily. So real exciting on the daily. Look at that. Went right to my mark. That's really cool. So real exciting on the. Let me put this down so you can see better. There we go. Guys, so here's what I expect here. I think this is going to go long. I think this is going to go to 15, around 15,573 area. So what I do expect this, and again, this is the daily. Let me see if I can draw. CF2. Let's see if I can do this here. So I expect this to go right here. So that's kind of what I'm expecting. So today, I kind of expect price to come down around here somewhere, probably right around this mark right here. It could be right around here. Price comes in here, and I would expect them to go north right there. Um, and today being Thursday, Friday. So let's see if this Friday we can get some up move here in this and probably fill this space. Now, whether we get to this mark right here, let's say right around here, Whether we get there or not, I'm not sure. But I have based on the analysis and based on today, I would have been happier if they would have closed above the previous day, but they didn't. So love to see what you guys think about that. Okay, let me know your thoughts here, and let me get sure I can fill this in here. Get sure um, you guys can see that from your end. There we go. All right, let's see who's here. Missed bundle offer last time. Any bundles offers right now? No bundle offers at this time. Black Flag Marine. Hello, everyone. Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again. Thanks for hanging out. All right. So, looking good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think about this? Do you think we're gonna have a bear or a bullish day to the on Friday? Do you think they're gonna just hang out in general? It's gonna be a small movement day. What are your thoughts? I'd love to hear it. Let me go check out the news here. Uh, okay. Let me bring up the news. We can get that going here. So here are is the news. Okay. Let's see here. So we got Thursday. Let's look at Friday. We got some European news, U.S. flash manufacturer PMI, flash services PMI. So yeah, we probably expect a little movement there, pre-market and in the morning there. So all right, let me see what you guys are saying. Let's see here. So we can minimize that for now here. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so this is the NQ daily. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of all this stuff here I just drew up here. Let me read your comments here real quick. All right, let's see. Where did we left off here? Hey, doing Tech Lead Joe? Kiriam says ICT right. Data feed discount. I don't know. Um, Kareem says bearish. Kendall tomorrow. Okay, so okay, and then hola Chris, saludos. ¿Qué indicadores usas? And Tech Lead says no one knows. All right. So, which indicators do I use? Good question. So, the indicators that you see here were custom made just by me and my mentor. Okay. And so all that means is just, for example, the zones that I have here, I'm too lazy to draw them up. So we have the system do it for us now. So it just saves me time. That's all it is. Nothing fancy there. And then we have some other stuff here, but yeah, it's just this custom made stuff. Nothing too fancy. Just that's pretty much all it is. Let me look at 30 minutes here. So I will look to see if we can get a trade here at 51.93. Let me see here where we got looking at here. 775. That's a big area right there. So let me see here. Let me go to 5 minutes here. All right. All right. So we got the 5 minutes going on here. All right. All right. Let's see what we got here. Kareem says that's how I think of tomorrow. Okay, so you think Friday's going to be a bearish day? Got it. Thank you for sharing that. TN says, are you guys going to plan to lower the 30 trading days for a payout? Well, we already have less than 30 days. We have the weekly accounts. The WK weekly accounts is available. And then you can buy that one. And then after you qualify, you can request a payout after 10 trading days. And once you've met the target on that. 10 yen. Let's see here. NQ is a tech composite, so it goes when the big tech go. TX says, I think there was a Japanese CPI report. Okay. Hey TX, how you doing, buddy? Thanks for that info. Lacachet says, do you trade anything other than NQ, Chris? I do. I trade. Actually, there's a trade set up right now, so I'm gonna enter this trade right here, real quick. 1 second, see if it gives us an opportunity to go in. And I'm going to have a tight stop right there, so we'll be risking here. 1 second, see if it picks us up. 160 right there. So I can't even make it tighter probably. I'm going to go right there though. So if this comes around and takes us out, no big deal. We'll go down with 160. Has a loss. If this closes below this right here, that's going to give us some confidence to the downside there. So let's see if it can hold past that. And I think we can hold it right around 1 second here. Let me look at that. Okay, let me go to 1 minute NQ right here. Yeah, I really need them to break below that right there. So that's going to give me way more confidence if they can do that. Okay, I think that's a good profit target right now. If they give me an opportunity, I can time that up actually quite a bit here. Actually, I can probably do that. So I'm going to do that move right there for right now. If they're able to close below this right here, let me go show you guys can see that. Sorry. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we're risking 115 there. Let's see. Yeah, I need them to break this line down here. If they break that, that's going to give us some confidence there. So, let's see here. Tian says, thank you, you're welcome. I know I also trade the ES, MNQ and NQ. Sometimes it's rarely, but YM, but that's on the rare side. Paul says, hey Paul, how you doing? Good to see you. I think it doesn't matter. You're only going to hold a position for 15-30 minutes. Let's see. What do you mean, Paul? Can you explain that? TN says random July 14 weekly account special. Oh, okay, I see you. Yeah, 4th of July. All right. So just so you know here, so we didn't break that low right here. All right. So we're creating lower lows, lower highs, right? They didn't break this low right here. And so because of that, I'm gonna be hopefully looking for a random pattern. If they create one, I can time my stop down even more. Hopefully here to go and make a new low. If not, then I'll probably be taken out here on this trade. So hopefully they can create a nice random pattern to go short. Maybe they'll come up to this area here. If they do, to reject out of that area to go lower. So let's see here. What are we saying? Kareem says they are equally low down in 5 minutes. FW says after you get 4 payouts, so you keep getting payouts or you get kicked out. Heard you all cap how much you all give. FW, thanks for the question. Yeah, I would ask who said that? Who did you hear that from? That's always my follow-up question is who do you hear that from? All right. Because, there's people that say things that are not accurate. So, yeah, we have traders. In fact, we had a trader on the demo day last Thursday, a week from today, actually, that has been trading with us for years. And and he's received more than 4 payouts. So yeah, that's not quite accurate. let's see. ES and NQ, they are SMTGU. Please bring weekly 150K accounts, correct? 93, 95 support. But you want to wait for reversal candles. Did you complete your test yet, Chris? Yeah, so I'm in my test right now. This is the account that I'm trying to qualify with. So I'm trying to qualify with this 50K account right here. So this is that account. It's this one right here. So our goal here is to get 53,000 is our profit target for this account. All right, so if this creates this random pattern that I'm hoping they do, I might be able to time my stop even more, and I'm okay with that. But let's see if they're able to push down and break through this bottom here. If they do, I'll feel a lot more confident in that aspect there. So we'll wait. So yeah, feel free to ask any questions, guys. Yeah, so it was a Facebook group, and they were saying Leeloo will cap you on payouts. Just wanted to make sure I have 250Ks. I wanted to be sure you all for the long haul and build up cushion for a payout. Yeah, so my other question, FW, is which Facebook group says that? That's the other question is which Facebook group says that, right? Um, Tech Lead says you're almost there. Yeah, we're about 300 something dollars away. So from being there. So we may make it, we may not, but we're gonna take our time. So nice and slow. So FW again, which group says that on Facebook? And then in the Facebook group, who is the one saying that? That's what I will ask. And then if they say that, who is it saying that? Why are they saying that? Is it a real trader? And do they have proof? Because I'm going to tell you they don't, because it's been a while. We do have the right to cap traders, but we were only capped 0.01% of traders. And so I already have an idea which group you're talking about, and I already have an idea who may be doing that kind of talk. So yeah, just because somebody says something, FW, and everybody listening, guys, it's not. You got to be careful to understand their source, who is saying it, and why they're saying it. So and I appreciate you coming here and asking, but yeah, it's definitely interesting that there's people out there saying that, right? And then the other question is who else are they promoting? Are they promoting other companies? And who is the other company they're promoting, right? So that's what I will say right there. So okay, so yeah, any other questions? All right. Oh, Paul, what did I miss something? Oh, Paul says I'm long. Okay. Hey, one of us might be one of us might be right, Paul. That's fun. I didn't see that until just now. So, yeah, so FW, I would if you have further questions, you can email support. What we're looking for is we're looking for consistent traders to build their accounts over time. And if you do that, um, you know, I don't see an issue, right? Like Richard that we had last week with us, we've paid him quite a bit of money, and we copy trade him, so it doesn't make sense, right, for us to let's say cap him, right? Warner Bear says, Chris, why do you cap? I watched once on YouTube. He mentioned indirectly, maybe you know him. He mentioned he traded LL once before. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Thank you for that question. So, you know, well, I'm not gonna speak specific to specific people or companies. I would say this, okay? Um, if you find a real trader that has done that, ask them, hey, why did they cap you? If they did, right? And so on. So, all right. So we're out of our trade there. All right. So good job, guys, on that. Um, so perfect. Let's see, 146. So nice. Let's see here. Well, Paul, how's that long looking? Hold on to it, Paul. All right. So 46. So we're at 53,000. 52,796.22. We're about a $203 away from getting to where we need to go here. So, and Paul's looking tight right now. So, nice little short here. I was risking a little too much, more than I wanted to risk on that trade. Um, but that's fine. So, good job, guys, on that. So, yep, just doing the random patterns, right? Lower lows, lower highs, random patterns. We got a nice little move here at 8:30. So, you know, yeah, good job on that, guys. All right. So born nerd. Let me say this. Um, why would I don't spend time talking about other companies, right? Why? Well, I don't care. Well, I don't know what they're doing. And I don't care what they're doing. I just care about Leeloo, and I care about Leeloo traders. So that's my focus right now. Now I will defend Leeloo from bad information and bad players, but that's where I'm focused on. And so anybody, um, you know, doing and talking trash, they're probably doing it, because I don't know, they're jealous. I have no idea, but I would just be careful who you hear things from and understand their motive, okay, of why they're doing that. So, okay, let's see. Hey guys, all right, Paul. Paul, tell me how the longest. I just want to know now, Paul. Now I gotta mess with Paul now. But Paul, you're a funny guy. I like it. Let's see. Why did Lulu take 4 months when you can get paid out all your money? Yeah, well, if it depends on which account you buy, right? If you buy the weekly, you can, get paid out weeklies. But our setup has always been the same, right? So Kareem, nice move. Kareem, Chris, answer of questions, please. What question did you ask? Did I miss your question? Oh, Kareem, I'm answering your question right now. Sorry, I just saw it. Yeah. Yeah. So we have different accounts available. And our setup has always been the same, right? We do the first 4 months. There's minimum and maximums how much you can request, and after that, you can request as little as much. You got to be consistent, grow your account over time, because we're looking for long-term traders, and so this gives us the ability to evaluate you as we decide to copy trade you or not. So hopefully that answers your question, but yeah. All right, so let's see here. There's potentially gonna move up. Let's see if it does that. But I'm gonna be done trading here. Yeah, thank you, Kareem. Yeah, so I'm done trading here. So good job, guys. We accomplished another good day, and this is a good day not because we made money. That's a plus, but it's a good day because we followed the rules, right? That's how I see what a good day and a bad day is. If I follow the rules and lose money, I'm okay with that. That's still a good day. If I don't follow the rules and make money, that's still a bad day. Why? Well, it doesn't matter if you win or lose. That's going to be a temporary solution. That's a temporary feel. What matters is that I follow my rules based on my guidelines and based on my strategy that I have set forth. And based on that information, okay, that is what determines my long-term success. Okay, so winning a trade doesn't make you a good trader. Most people can come and win a trade. Most people can go and have several good days. But do you have a system in place? And if you do you follow that system? And that's what my goal is, right? Do I always do it? Absolutely not. No, I'm human, and I fall short of being perfect. and so quite a bit. So yeah. Tech Lee says, no, you made money, not we. I always say we. I always say we. So please ignore that. Plus, by the way, this is just a practice account, and I'm just doing this for fun. You guys requested for me to do to trade try to qualify an account. You guys told me which account to select, and that's what I've been doing here. So we got a perfect drawdown available. Good job on the 146 trade there. Uh, yeah. So, and I always say we. I always say we. My brother gets bothered when I say we, but it's just what I use. I always say the same thing. So, but yeah, it was good, right? Good, comfortable trade, and so glad we were able to take that here on our the Chris show tonight. So, by the way, if you're here, we'd love for you to hit that like button. Appreciate that. Uh, and we'll see if we can try to qualify this account. So we're about, I think we just did the math. We're about $203 away from qualifying. All right, so I think we could do it. Got to go slow, follow our method, and go from there. So, FW, if you have any questions about specific account issues, you got to email support. Email support at leelutrading.com. I don't talk about specific issues regarding traders and their specific accounts. So please email support at leelutrading.com. Yeah, thank you, Tech. Kareem says, Chris, we need data free in Leeloo. Well, I also need a free car, but nobody's hooking me up with a free car. I also need free gasoline, like free gas. Can you imagine if I had free gas? That would be pretty sweet. But as of right now, I got to pay for the gas. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of things we want for free, right? But things cost money, which is important, right? To have a budget, right? That's why we always say have a budget, stay with a budget, plan for the budget, and so. Nice little random pattern being built here. I'm not going to be tempted to trade, though. I've already made my mind up. I'm not going to trade anymore. I'll be done for the day. Maybe let's see if we can try to hit a couple trades next week if the opportunity rises. Today, we were in a good opportunity for a trade. So yeah, so interesting. But could go short here for sure and have a real tight stop. Actually, again, I'm not going to take it, but we could be risking $55 here. And let's see if we were to hold it. If we were to hold it right there, 75. So that could be a trade right there. Yeah, yeah. I hear you guys. So you guys like the bundles, right? Yeah. Those bundles are pretty sweet. Tom, what's up, Tom? Don't need gas in the Tesla. Yeah. Yeah, you do need to charge it though. That electricity though. Am I right? Uh, that's funny. Let's see. We can pay for account Lilu, but we can't wait because I take trading as my job. Hang in there. You'll hit profit target soon. A Tom Hannon. No, he drives a Mustang. No, I do not drive. I don't know if you. I don't drive a Mustang, by the way. Definitely do not drive a Mustang. Never drove a Mustang, so will not drive a Mustang. I don't. Not my things. I don't know if you're talking about me, but that's not me. All right, let's see if this trade would have worked out here. Yeah, it would have worked out so far. Oh, close, but I don't know. So we would have gone in right there. Right now, we've not hit our target. Let's see if it hits our target. Right there. Boom. Good target. Yeah, nice random pattern with supply and demand zones. So rather that's a supply zone, so good job on that. But yeah, I'm done trading. Not gonna be trading anymore tonight. So but that was good. Let's see. Frank says, can we maybe in the future have the half holiday market days count as a full day when trying to pass an eval to meet the trading day requirement? That would be great. Thank you. Um, I don't know, Frank. What do you mean? But when the U.S. market is halted And if you trade, let's say earlier in the day before the market is halted, that does count like a full day. So, um, yeah. Let's see here. Um, no, definitely. Yeah, no. I drive a very basic. Yeah, I drive a Toyota Land Cruiser. That's it. That's thank you, TX. Yeah, I'm part of the Land Cruiser community. It's actually an interesting scenario there. Um, so yeah. Kareem says, which indicators do you use? Yeah, Kareem, those indicators are custom made. Like I mentioned before, so they're just custom made by me and my mentor. We created them, and just to save me time, so I don't have to draw them out and stuff. But yeah, good job on that. We saw that rounding pattern. I think we all saw that together, right? We would have gone in at that supply zone to go into short. We would have put our stop there, our profit target. I had it right here, just right below this push there. So, but yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna be trading anymore, even though the opportunity arose, just because I already made my mind up on that. So, but thank you. Yeah, good discipline, good trading discipline, Chris. So yeah, thank you, TX. TX is on it, man. TX know what's going on. So, yeah, I appreciate you guys liking the video here. If you give us a thumbs up. Did anybody check out the Leeloo demo day? Last week we had Jody, the founder and owner of Leeloo, hanging out with us. That was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it, honestly. Anytime I get to talk to Jody, I just come out a better person. I never thought I would be able to be in a position to go into a meeting with my boss and enjoy it. Not just once, not twice, but just literally every time. And every time I talk to her, I'm always able to grow, laugh, and learn from it. And so I'm really grateful to her for joining us. And I hope you were able to watch that. And if you didn't, I hope you go back and watch it. Um, Demo day was a lot of fun, and I appreciate all the speakers. And thank you to Jody for hanging out for sure. Um, okay, Kareem, thank you. Nag says Leeloo app on the iPhone. I can't toggle between accounts. No, go back button to see other accounts. You need to sign out, and no, you don't, Nag. Just scroll to the left, like scroll backwards, like you scroll left right. That's all you got to do, and you will be able to do that. So if you need more assistance, you can email support@leelootrain.com. Nag, yeah, thanks. Demo day streams were great and very informative. Awesome. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Yes, I was at demo day. Loved it. Okay, thank you, Statistics. Um, good to know and good to hear. So awesome, guys. Well, if you guys don't have any other questions, I think we did pretty good today. We had a trade, um, and we followed our rules, and yeah. Let's see. Nick J says, we said great things about Leeloo CEO and hope you will be happy. Thank you so much. I appreciate the kind words. Yeah, it definitely you guys are very thoughtful and very supportive. So thank you for supporting me. I do really do appreciate that. It means quite a bit. So thank you so much for the kind words here. So all right. Any other questions before we call it a day? We did pretty good today. So if you have any questions about Leeloo, guys, we have that 70% off going right now. Happy Father's Day. So take advantage of 70% off on the Leeloo traditional account and the LE account with the code Happy Father's Day. Be sure you check that out. Yeah, what's going on, Tudo? Good to see you. All right. Well, okay. Well, thank you for the information for sure. So, all right. Well, if you guys don't have any other questions, I'm going to be logging out. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your evening and morning for those around the world. And I look forward to hanging out with you guys next week. I do have something exciting going on early next week because this Sunday is half guys, have Christmas. So I'm excited about being the lookout here coming up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday of next week. So, all right. So, yes, not necessarily 10 evals, but 10 active PAs, TX. So, just however you want to do the numbers on that. But yes, that'll be 10 traders are limited to 10 active performance accounts, 3 active accelerators, and 3 active WK weekly accounts. So, yes. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out. Stay tuned for next the sale going on. Happy Father's Day right now. Use the code Happy Father's Day on the traditional account. 70% off, first month only. And I think you guys want to stay tuned. I will give you a hint. The bundles are not going to be on sale on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. It's not the bundles. But I think many of you have requested this and wanted it. So check that out. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I was not able to buy more than 10 evals with a promo. Oh, I see what you're saying, TX. Yeah, so it's 10 up to 10 per trader. But TX, if you need more, just shoot us an email support, and we can extend that for you. We'll hook you up on that for sure. No problem there. So, all right, nice little move, guys. Look at this, lower lows, lower, continue to move. Frank. No, the weeklies are not going to be on sale on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday either. So it's not that. It's something that we haven't done in a long time, and I almost don't want to give it away. But it's not the bundles. It's not the weeklies. It's not even a sale. It's more of a promotion. It's something that a lot of traders ask me about. I don't know if I can give you a hint. I don't know if I should. So just stay tuned. And for those that have been asking you will be very glad because we're finally doing it. So, and it's been a long time since I've done it. All right. Well, any other questions, guys? If not, I'm going to knock out of here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Bundles for $1. That's funny. Oh, man. All right. Well, thank you so much for hanging out, guys. I really, really enjoy it. I shout out to all of you guys. And by the way, if you're visiting us here for the first time, thank you so much for taking the time. No, it's not the Ignite, but that's a good, we haven't put that in the set in a few. I may have to do that one day. No, it's not the Ignite. This is interesting. We haven't done this in a long, long time. And so a lot of you are going to be very excited about it. I know because I get a lot of requests about it, but we haven't done it in a long time. So I'm excited about it. So, but no, not the Ignite. Daniel, Daniel Model 3, what's going on? Good to see you, Daniel. Can't wait to hang out one day and go eat some Asian food. Thank you. That's the best. Thank you so much. You're the best CEO ever. I appreciate that, Daniel. I really do. So that means a lot. So, well, thank you very much, everyone. Daniel, hopefully you're staying good up there. Hopefully everything's well. Thanks for hanging out with us for a little bit. And guys, if you missed the first part of this, you can catch the trade I took here. Let me see if I can show you here. I think I can. There it is. We went. There we go. Right up here and got out right there on this trade. And so we're about $200 from qualifying the account here. So we're at $52,796 with 22 cents. So, yeah. So, but Daniel, hit me up sometime, man. We got to reconnect. It's been a while. And again, thank you, everybody, so much. I hope you guys have a phenomenal day. Happy Friday coming up. Have Christmas coming up Sunday, guys. Have Christmas. If you don't know where that is that we're halfway through the year to Christmas. So we're going to have something very special. We haven't had it in a long time, so be sure you stay tuned, okay? It's not going to be a discount, okay? Just to be clear, it's not a discount. It's not a weekly discount or the bundles or anything like that. It's something different. We have only done it, I think, one time, so and a lot of you requested, and so I'm glad we're going to be able to do it. So, but no, thank you so much, guys. Trade Together says, thanks, Chris, for all you do. Love you, Chris. No, thank you, guys. Love you guys. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys have a phenomenal day. All right, until next time.